My therapist and I are exploring a BPD diagnosis. I like motorcycles and dogs and maybe 3 people shirt finally got my depression and anxiety under control. I feel better. And I'm not ready for another thing. I like motorcycles and dogs and maybe 3 people shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, and hoodie. Hoodie, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck. I have no idea what I'll do if Trump wins again. It's so good. I like motorcycles and dogs and maybe 3 people shirts. Hard to not feel completely hopeless. Fortunately, I have a wonderful boyfriend and other products.